Hello once again, Daniel here from Sangreal Rings, and in this video we will be turning a nut into a ring. I know a few ring makers in the past have done this, such as Pablo Simondevilla, but I decided I wanted to do my take on it and turn it into a tension set ring. First thing we want to do is to round out the inside. This is obviously going to make it easier to place on the ring mandrel and round out the outside. We're going to do that by using our boring bar. Luckily now on this lathe there's an auto drive system on it, which makes life much easier. Once we've done the inside of the actual nut, we can now move on to the outside by squaring off the one edge and then rounding out the outer diameter. So I decided that this ring is going to be 3mm wide. This is to match the size of the actual gemstone we'll be using in the ring later on. Now we're just removing any scratch marks left behind by the tooling using a rotary tool and a bench sander. Now we're just going to bring the outside of the ring up to a bit more of a polish. This is going to make the marks that I make later on the ring easier to see. Nothing too major, just starting off at 120 grit sanding mesh and then moving up to a 400 grit. While the nut is a fun item to use in making this ring, it's not recommended for the actual jewellery. It's just not strong enough or scratch resistant enough compared to the titanium or Damascus steel that I generally use in my rings. Trying to keep the gemstone still and actually measure it took me forever. Now we're just going to place the marks on the ring. This is actually slightly smaller than the gemstone. This is so we can actually tension set it into place. This is absolutely the wrong tool for the job, but I thought it would look better having the sparks fly at the camera than just using a saw. I hope you enjoy it. Now it's time for a quick tidy up, just using some needle files just to remove any sharp bits off the ring and remove any heat discoloration from the actual band. One thing I actually forgot to film was placing 2 notches on the inside of the gap to hold the gemstone in place, but that's easily done with a jeweller's saw. Well, I think that went okay for my first attempt at making a tension set ring. I did learn a lot from this project, and there are a couple of things that I do need to improve on before I actually start making these for the general public, but it is something I thoroughly enjoy doing and will be definitely doing in the future. And if you'd like to see what those are, please check out sangrealrings.com, and as always, thanks for watching.